Hello, and welcome to Seminar for P5 Teachers, Prompt 1. My name is Dorette Harvey. Georgia Standards of Excellence, CLL6. The child will develop early phonological awareness. CLL6 3B identifies and produces rhyming words with adult guidance. PDM6, the child will demonstrate fine motor skills. Content students should know: builds early phonological awareness, rhyming, and fine motor skills. Students recognize that words are made of smaller sounds. Identify rhyme, sound patterns, and initial or final sounds with support. Instruction includes songs, chants, rhymes, repetition, and movement. Fine motor skills develop through clapping, pointing, manipulating materials, tracing, and pre-writing. Teacher observes documents and monitors progress using notes, checklists, and work samples. Teaching strategies. Instruction honors developmental stages while supporting academic and social growth through explicit, systematic phonological awareness instruction. Daily brief lessons move from larger to smaller units of sound. Using clear modeling guided practice and immediate feedback. Rhyme awareness and production are developed through oral language plays such as songs, chants, pictures, swords, odd one out, and rhyme generation with adult scaffolding. Instruction is supported by professional assistance as needed. Phonological awareness instruction begins with brief 10 to 12-minute warm ups where children clap syllables, identify rhymes, and generate simple rhymes. Activities include picture, object, card rhyme, sorts, which two rhymes, games, and oral sound mapping using Elkonin boxes to support early blending. Example, plus cat. Instruction remains oral to strengthen listening and sound manipulation skills. Research shows that explicit PA instruction predicts later reading success and supports development when taught from larger to smaller sound units with adult guidance and immediate feedback. Nell 2008, Longman et al. During hands-on center rotations, my students engage with materials for sound exploration. These activities also strengthen their fine motor control as per the requirements of PDM 5, PDM 6. I intentionally design the activities so that they relate to phonological awareness tasks including rhyming words, matching, and production, as well as onset and rhyme blending, with purposeful fine motor actions such as digging, scooping, fishing, and pressing. These integrated experiences support early literacy development. What it looks like in the classroom. Strengths: strong alignment to CLL6 3B using modeling, repetition, and feedback. Visuals, echo practice, and small group support emerging learners. Multisensory centers build literacy and fine motor skills, PDM 6. Improvements: use consistent formative assessment to track progress. increase students led language activities, clarify and streamline written directions, differentiation, struggling visuals, repetition, hands-on small groups, advanced rhymes, creation, sentences, pair games. Flexible strategies support all learners appropriately. In the multisensory water play area, children participate in a rhyming fishing activity using magnetic rods or nets to catch picture cards. After catching a card, they identify its rhyming match and explain why the words rhyme. This playful activity strengthens grasp, wrist stability, and hand eye coordination while providing meaningful practice with phonological awareness through hands on learning. In the multisensory sandbox area, students dig in the sand and find matching rhyming pairs. They have to explain why the pair matches. Here are some classroom evidences. Warm up activity, rhyming matching puzzle. So there is the masterpiece, the bigger piece, and then they look at the picture, identify the picture, and they will find the rhyming pairs for this. They fit the puzzle with the rhyming pairs. And here, tracing rhyming words. The students are given the rhyming words with their matching pairs, but they have to find them. So they trace from left to right to find the matching pair. Here again, classroom product, emerging learner work evidence is right here. Students successfully match rhyming pictures with visual support, demonstrated developing understanding of rhyming pattern, benefited from visual repetition and guided practice. Continued practice is needed to build accuracy and independence. And as you can see tree, B, and you can see they draw the line. The lines are drawn to match the different pairs. Classroom product. Here you can see students selected all the words that rhymes, the rhyming words on this advanced learners work evidence. The student accurately identified multiple rhyming words independently, demonstrated strong phonological awareness and sound discrimination. They required minimal teacher support and they are ready for enrichment tasks, rhyme generation, sentence creation. As you can see here, the students use Elkonin boxes. They practice sound segmentation. Some students accurately map sound to boxes, others show difficulty isolating or sequencing sound. And the remediation plan, reteach in small groups using simpler word patterns, increase modeling, oral practice, and repetition, use visuals and manipulatives before increasing difficulty. And here is a video preparing them for the small group rhyming activity. Station activity, students dug and scoop for pairs, rhyming pairs. Students fish in the water bins for rhyming pairs. Lesson reflection, strengths, strong alignment to CLL6 3B using modeling, repetition, and feedback. Visuals, echo practice, and small group support emerging learners. Multisensory centers build literacy and fine motor skills. PDM 6. Improvement. Use consistent formative assessment to track progress. Increase student led language activities. Clarify and streamline written directions. Differentiation. Struggling. Visuals, repetition, hands-on, small groups. Advanced rhyme creation, sentences, pair games. Flexible strategies support all learners appropriately. And here are my references, as you can see. So you can just look at the references and you'll see Baker PJ. Here are more references from National Early Literacy Panel 2008. And you look along, these are my references, National Institute of Child Health, Human Development, all of that. Thank you for listening.